Hey guys, how you all doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Because I can't see properly without my glasses, so it's a struggle to actually wear my makeup. So today's video is about showing you guys how I put on my makeup whenever I wear my makeup. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Sasha. Welcome to Limbex channel, and if you're a regular watcher, thank you so much for stopping by again. If you're finding value to this video, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It does really make a huge difference to the channel. So let's jump right into it. So because I can't really see that much, that's why I'm not really into makeups like that, because there's no point me even trying. So this is just a layman's way of wearing my makeup. So if you think I'm doing it wrong, leave a comment below, give me tips on how I should do it better. So the first thing I use after I've washed my face and moisturized my face, I give my face about 5 minutes for the moisturizer to soak in before I put on my Black Orb Base Soothing Primer. So that's what I use to help make my makeup last long. I just put tiny all over my face as so. Rub it in so, and then I give it like 1 minute to just soak into my skin. This has really changed my makeup routine, guys. This Black Orb Base Soothing Primer, it helps with my frown lines as well. I noticed I've tried so many other primers, and after wearing my makeup I can still see my frown lines. So yeah, so this Black Orb one is the best one for me. So I then use my Black Orb Full Coverage Cream Foundation. So this is what I use, and I use color 8 on my face. This is a really good foundation, guys. It gives me complete full coverage, and just a little goes a long way. And the good thing about this one is that even if you don't use your foundation for a long time and you open it up and you smell it, there's no smell. It smells okay. There's some foundations that I've used in the past where when you open it, it stinks badly. So yeah, so this is what I use, color 8. Just a little, guys, go a long way. So you have to constantly try and concentrate because I can't see properly. So I use my blender. I always put it in this pouch so that there can be air for it to breathe. So I've got my Real Technique beauty blender here. So I just use that tip and then I start dabbing. This one gives you complete coverage. This 30 ml size, it lasts me a long time. Bear in mind I don't wear makeup every day. So you see, I notice when you dab is when it blends in than when I drag it. So you see, it's already giving me full coverage. To be honest, I prefer my skin without makeup because I sweat a lot. But like I said, it's because I just want to show you guys how I wear my makeup. That's why I'm wearing this makeup. If not, I won't be wearing it. It's so good, guys. Like, I even introduced my mom to this Black Orb. My mom cannot do without this Black Orb makeup now. So nice. You can see already looking good, even underneath my eye bag here. And I try to do where my hair line starts as well. It's a struggle, guys. Struggle. See, look at what the powder's done. It's like magic, guys. Magic. Pure magic. This foundation under my eye bags, you can see, is all gone. Try to capture here as well. I'm doing it here. And this Real Technique, guys, is really good. I've had this now for a long time, but I don't wear eyeshadows because, like I said, I wear glasses, so I don't see the need. Make sure I get where my lip line is as well. So guys, so after I've worn my powder color 8 for my skin tone, I've got my Black Orb color correcting powder. Guys, this can last me for like half a decade because you just need a little and it goes a long way. The only problem I have with this is that, look, it's kind of like a lot is always like on top. Actually, I know what I will do. So I use Real Technique powder brush. So I think I should just dip just that tiny, and then I put it on the cap. It just helps like my foundation just smooth out. So I just do this. So you tap and dust off. So try not to get it on my clothes. I usually do this without wearing my shirts, but because I'm showing you guys, that's why I've got my shirts on. So yeah, so I just do this, just that little. When this is actually too much, I probably will put the rest back in. Don't need too much on my face. See? All done. I don't need too much on my face. And this powder, guys, no matter how much I try to clean it, I'll show you guys when I go to take it off after the day, and you'll see how long it takes me to remove it. It stays forever on my face. I've still got some left there, so I just tap and then put it back in. So yeah, so I use my powder brush from Real Technique for that. And so that's color correcting black up number 2. The next thing I do is I use eyebrow pencil. This is Rimmel, and it's the dark brown is what I use. It's got this brush here. I do have makeup brushes, but I just find this is just quick and easy for me. I just trace where my eyebrow is. That's what I do. I don't do anything fancy. Just fill in my eyebrow, because my eyebrows are really light. So I just trace it in like this. I normally shave my eyebrow with an eyebrow shaver, but I'm running late now. So you see, so that's what I do. You can see nothing. So yeah, so as soon as I trace it like that, and I make sure I stop where my hairline stops, so that it looks as real as possible. That's why sometimes people don't know that I'm wearing makeup, because I don't like to make it so obvious. So I just brush it like so, and then do the same. Okay, you can see the difference now between that one and this one. So you see, I've drawn the second one, and then I just brush this in like so, and then that's it. That's done. And then what I do now is, I've tried, guys, to use this contour stuff. It don't work. So all I use is this. So I use this brow brush. So this is Black Up Contour stick, contouring stick number 3. So it's got dual ends. So it's got this light and the dark one, and I use the light one just to emphasize on my eyebrow. So this is what I do. I just dab it on lightly. So then I use my Real Technique base shadow brush to then tap it around like so. So you see, just tap like that, just to blend it in, just to highlight my eyebrow. Just lightly, so you don't rub off what you've just done. Can you guys see the difference now? You can see the arch, is that what you call it, of my eyebrow. You're trying to make an illusion, I think. That's why people do that, I think. So I just do it close to my eyebrow, like so, lightly, with my my brow brush. So that's my Black Up contouring stick number 3. I'm using the light section of it. So I use that to tap it like so, and then I just blend it in. So you see, that's it. Don't need to be a makeup artist to do this. I think I've got partial sight, is that what you call it? So I can't really see. Black Up to me, guys, is just the best. So now I'm going to be using my eyeliner, and it's jet black, and it's Rimmel as well. See, it's almost finished. The good thing about makeup, my makeup, is that they tend to last forever. So that's why it's good for you to, when you find the right one, just stick to that one and it will last you for a long time. But make sure that you always clean your brush so you don't get infection of the eyes, and do not share your brush with anyone. And if you do, make sure you wash it between use, because remember, it's like dead skin and everything, and so yeah, so you have to wash your brush. And because of the dust as well, when you put your brush on your makeup, your dressing table, there's lots of dust there, so try and wash your brush as often as possible. So this is what I do with my eyeliner. I just draw it as close to my eyes as possible so that my eye pops when I've got my my glasses on. Very light, because oh my days, it takes forever to come off. So yes, I use cutting board to just try and tidy up my eyeliner. I don't need eyeshadow because that black up is just so beautiful that I don't need eyeshadow, but I will make a separate video one day trying out eyeshadows. So then after that, I use my Haute Sullivan, really good. My husband got me the 23 ml. I had the 9 ml, guys. I used it from the beginning of the year until I think it was a month ago. We're in October now. My husband got me this in September. Actually, my husband got this for me last week. This is really, really good, guys, especially those girls that have dry lips, or you're menopausal and you're struggling from dry lips. This is really good. I don't use lipsticks anymore like that. I used to be obsessed with lipsticks, but lately I'm not really feeling it. So this helps. Look at my lips, it's so pink and it's just so beautiful, and it's got just very little hints of vanilla. You know, there's some lip balms that you use and then when you open it, it stinks. So I just do this, pull it out like so, and just work it on my lips, and just this alone would last my lips until evening, guys. So yeah, that's it. I wear my glasses, I can find where I kept it, and I'm good to go. So that's what I do. Haute Sullivan, it's a Swedish, I think it's a Swedish brand. Yeah, for the military, actually. My husband says, is it the Swedish military? Yeah, so it's really good. I was very skeptical when my husband said I should try this, because I used to use Burt's Bee, and he said try this, it's really, really good. And since then I can't be without this. So that's what I use on my lips, and that's it. And then I wear my earrings, and then I'm good to go, good to go, good to go. Oh, see, my ears are even closing because I don't wear earrings all the time. I'm wearing my hair like so. Still want to wear a hairpiece. I've got my makeup on now, and I can put my glasses on. Ooh, I can see. If you're finding value to this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber on our YouTube channel. And you can also follow us on our Facebook page, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.